Welcome everyone. In this lecture, we're going to talk about linked list. Now, a linked list is an abstract data type which uses collection of nodes to store data. Nodes are randomly stored in memory. A node contains two fields. First is the data of that node, and the other one is a pointer that stores address to the next node. One node is pointing toward the next one. The first node of the linked list is called the head node, and it has data 23 and the address of the next node, which is 14. The last node points towards null pointer. Now let's head to the code editor to learn more about linked list. Let's first include the header file, and then we create a structure called node. In this we declare an integer variable called data and next pointer, and a constructor that takes integer type argument. Now inside constructor we set the value of data and next pointer. Now let's look at the code at a deeper level. Now let's write a main function. Node star head equals to new node, and in parentheses we type the integer argument, let's say 10, and that's how you create a node of a linked list. Let's create a temp node and a temp1 node. Now we have three nodes. Let's link these. Set heads next equal to temp, and temps next equals to temp1, and temp1's next is already null, and type return 0. Now if we run this, we get nothing in the output. That's because we're not printing anything, and now we have to deal with the traversal. To traverse a linked list, we create a function named print linked list. You can pick any name you want, and its return type is void, and it's going to take the argument head. In this, we're creating a pointer called current, and we set it equal to null. Now a loop which will run until the current is not equal to null. We're just going to print the data of the current node. After printing the data, we set current to current.next. Now in the main function, let's call this function, and it takes the argument head. Now if we run this, we get the output. Now let's take a deeper look at the function we just created. And this is how you create a linked list. And now this is the visual representation of the linked list we just created. The head node is 10, the next node is 20, and next to next is 30, and now 30 points towards null. And that's how you create a linked list.